And National Black HIV AIDS Awareness Day is today, and the State Department of Health and Environmental Control, along with several other health organizations, are hosting testing sites for those looking to get to know what their status is. This is in an effort to reduce the number of new infections throughout the state.
News 19's Shelly Garzone has the details.
A simple test. That can be a big step towards knowing your status. That's the message the Palmetto AIDS Life Support Services is spreading on National Black HIV/AIDS Awareness Day.
The most important thing is knowing your status. If you know your status, you know how to proceed. You can proceed with safer behaviors. You can understand what behaviors you are engaging in that may be putting you at risk for HIV.
Carmen Julius is the Chief Executive Officer at PALS.
Stigma is what is killing us. Stigma is the thing that makes our job so hard. Stigma is the reason that many people don't know their HIV status or don't try to seek their HIV status.
When the numbers are broken down, the Department of Health and Environmental Control says that 81% of newly diagnosed HIV cases are in people between the age of 20 and 49. 74% of all the diagnosed cases in 2019 were within the African American community. DHEC says out of all the counties in the Midlands, Richland County has the highest number of new cases.
We see African American communities that have less access to health care and less access to preventive health information. We're going to see increases, and we're going to see a high rate of HIV.
There are several new long-acting injectable medications, so this is a shot that someone would be able to take for HIV treatment.
Dr. Jessica Tillman is the nurse consultant for the Division of STD, HIV, and Viral Hepatitis at the South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control. She says new technology has allowed for advancement in HIV medications.
If pill taking doesn't really work for them, that also reduces the amount of pills that they do have to take, and some of the any other issues related to getting to a healthcare provider to get the medication.
PALS offers counseling, referrals to care, and support groups for people with HIV.
Once you get into care, once you get into treatment, and you're able to remain in care and treatment, your health outcome looks different.
Shelly Garzone, News 19, WLTX.
And PALS, or Palmetto AIDS Life Support Services, will be offering those rapid HIV tests today up until 8 p.m. at their office. And some new research from Duke University this week is giving scientists a better understanding of how the HIV virus actually works. Researchers say they've gotten a closer look at the tiny, quick movements that the virus makes inside the body during an infection. To do this new research, scientists used a rare machine. And that machine uses ultra-bright X-rays to see tiny particles. They believe that information could lead to developing antibodies for an AIDS vaccine. They also say this will change the approach on treatment for the virus going forward.